Okay.
Hey, buddy! What are you doing here? Hey, Miss Kate. Welcome home, sweet girl. Welcome home, buddy. McKinney.
Can you believe it, McKinney?
No.
Huh? Was it like a dream?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Are you surprised? Do you know that Benjamin has woken me up every day and said, I'm going to run down there and knock on McKinney's door. Hey, Rebecca, how are you?
Good.
Are you surprised?
Good surprise.
Can you believe it? Just earlier today, just tonight, coming home, what did you say?
I miss Benjamin.